Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to step into the exciting world of crypto trading, but not sure where to actually start? Well, don't worry, crypto trading isn't as complex as it seems. And technically, with the right steps and a bit of, knowledge, you can actually begin trading like a pro. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually start crypto trading, all right? Especially if you're new. But I'm not just going to talk about crypto. I'm also going to talk about stocks, okay? So obviously, the first step is that you need to choose the right platform, all right? So obviously, the first step to trading is selecting a secure and reliable platform. And technically, you want a space that's not only, say, user-friendly, but also provides the necessary tools for, say, beginners and pros alike, right? So just an example, you guys can see right here that there's a lot of different stock exchanges, or let's say brokers, that you can actually choose from, all right? So I'm going to highly recommend you guys dive down into this and check it out. And whenever it comes to, say, crypto, you guys will see right here that these are technically the biggest exchanges, okay? So I want you guys to understand that technically the ones that are on top are probably the most secure. And as far as I know, there's never been really any type of issue. So for example, we got like Binance, we got Coinbase, we got Coinbase Pro, we got OKX, Gate.io, HTX, we got Kraken, we got KuCoin, right? And then the list just kind of, say, continue, all right? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have to tell you guys something, okay? I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as Walton. We got FinTech Finance, all right? Now, you guys, this might be the funniest stock ticker on what is known as NASDAQ, and the ticker is WTF. Yeah, you guys, you heard that right. Imagine checking your portfolio and seeing WTF is soaring like crazy today. And yeah, it's actually a real stock, you guys. And honestly, it's getting attention just because of its name. All right. So the stock market, I mean, it has its fair share technically of wild ticker symbols, just like crypto. All right. But this one, you guys, technically it's next level. All right. So if someone asks you, listen here, okay? If someone asks you basically what stocks you are holding, just say WTF. Right? And watch the reaction. I mean, would you buy it just for fun? Let me know, right? Leave some comments. All right. Now, moving on, you guys. The next thing I want to talk about is going to be the basic understandings of, say, the markets, right? As stated, we got stocks and we have crypto. So, for example, you guys can see right here that we do have a lot of different stocks. We've got assets, we got currencies, we got bonds, right? We have different commodities, we got different countries such as Americas, Europe, Asia. I mean, it's going to be very important for you guys to learn and understand this. And you guys will even see right here, obviously, we got crypto, right? Crypto is hot right now. You need to understand the basics, right? So you definitely need to familiarize yourself, let's kind of put it that way, with how the crypto market works, right? The stock market and crypto market, right? Not only that, but the factors that influence these prices, okay? Now, just to go ahead and tell you a few things I'm going to recommend, especially if you're just now getting started. You got to start small, okay? You got to start small and you got to be patient. So you definitely don't want to rush into trading, say, large amounts. So start with small investments to learn the ropes, right? Because like I kind of showed you, I mean, there's definitely a lot here. I mean, look, there's a lot of cryptos and we even got like a lot of stocks. I mean, you definitely want to make sure that you start off small because if you don't, I mean, it's not going to be looking pretty good, all right? So obviously, as stated, start small and be patient. And then finally, guys, you got to keep learning and you need to stay up to date, right? So obviously the stock market, right? And we even got the crypto market, they evolve quickly. So you want to make sure that you actually stay stay informed, basically to keep yourself improving, right? You want to improve your trading strategies, okay? So I want you guys to understand, I mean, this is going to be very, very, very important. So make sure you guys dive down and check all this out. And as mentioned, you guys, we got what is known as Walton. Remember the stock WTF. I'm going to highly recommend that you guys dive into, say, the overall website. Very important. The link is going to be down below. We got global capital markets, multiple investment options. We got simplified account, opening process, the ultimate user experience. We got the brand, has a long history of superior asset protection. And you guys will see right here, this is going to be good for investors. Okay. So obviously comprehensive stock trading software, right? So as we kind of mentioned, I mean, you need to choose the right platform. Walton, this is perfect. All right, this is perfect. So make sure you guys dive down into this and check it out. You can see right here, Securities International, right? We even have brokerage cloud services, right? So you can download the app. Just a lot of important things. You can even see over here, we got the brokerage cloud, right? You can learn more about that. Zero IT threshold access, low cost business, asset light operations, multi-scenario adaption, right? And we even have customized multi-mode construction, okay? So yeah, you guys, like I stated, great place, great platform to get started with. I mean, if you guys need help, let me know. But yeah, I mean, check it out. They got a whole bunch of other ones as well. Same thing for crypto. You can clearly see that. I mean, the markets, you got to learn a lot about this, and you even got to dive down into, say, the crypto markets. All right. So there you guys have it. I mean, that's basically how you get started, especially whenever it comes to, say, trading. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. If you guys will, please leave some comments down below and tell me, what do you think? I mean, do you agree that this is technically how you can actually get started? Be sure to smash up that like button, smash up that subscribe button, and obviously be sure to, as stated, leave some comments. Stick around for the next video.